So today I'm going to walk you guys through how I curl my hair. Every time I've done a little Q&A or asking you guys what you want to see on Instagram and YouTube, it's always asking about how I curl my hair. So I apologize that it has taken me 1,000,000 years to film this, but so excited to show you guys. So I switch between two different curling irons. They both are hot tools. This is the bubble wand, which looks a little inappropriate. And then they're Marcel, which I will have another video showing you guys how I curl with that. But the wand is super easy. I also feel like it holds the curl better when my hair is so long, because my hair is very long, very thick. I do not wear extensions, so there's a lot of hair. So I just section my hair off right above the ears. That did not work. Okay. So I take a couple inches of hair, and with the wand, I point it down and I wrap away from my face. And I personally like when the curls are away from my face. I feel like it just doesn't get in the way. It's a little bit, just falls better. So I wrap it away. I have about maybe an inch of hair left out. I think when it's not curled all the way to the end, it gives a little bit looser, beachy vibe. And my curls always fall because I have naturally straight hair. So I might leave it a little curly to begin with, and then they're gonna fall once I kind of like brush them out towards the end. Now I switch my hands and do it down, wrap away from my face. And my bottom is always kind of looser because it doesn't matter as much. And then I do smaller sections and hold it longer when it's at the top of my hair. That's the bottom section. Super quick, super fast. We're gonna move on. I do about 3 sections of hair. Okay, so I already brushed through my hair, but I still touch it up before I curl the section. So this is the top section, and I do a middle part. It's kind of just already there. Okay, so these are my super grown out bangs. And I'm just gonna curl this top section super quick. And with this top section, I'm going to hold the pieces on the iron just a little bit longer so they're more defined, just because it is the top layer and that's kind of what you're looking at. I'm going to let it cool down, and I'm going to do the other half of my hair. So on the top of my head, I normally take like a 1 inch, normally like the width of my finger, and curl it so it's a little bit smaller sections. Towards the bottom of my hair, the bottom layer and the second layer, I'll do like 2 finger width, a couple inches. And this just helps make the top layer a little bit more defined. Okay, so my top layer is pretty much curled, and I'm just gonna do a couple smaller pieces on the very top just to create a little bit more volume up in here. So these are super small strands, and I have long layers. My layers start probably like here, so I don't have too many at the very top of my head, so that's why I normally do this like 4th itty bitty layer on top, just because my hair falls. So as you can see, it's already adding some extra dimension to my head. And I personally really like the wand if you do have hair similar to mine, that it's long or that it's heavy, or if you have long layers, because I feel like it holds better than a regular curling iron when you're doing this. Just because I feel like the heat is evenly distributed when you're doing the wand. It's not perfect, but that's also why I really like the wand, because you don't have to be so precise with how the curls are. And it's good if maybe you're learning how to curl your hair, or you feel like you're not very good at curling your hair, because there's really no right or wrong. You can just take little pieces, very easily wrap it around, hold it for 10 seconds or something, and let it do its thing. So today it's not greasy because I didn't work out yesterday. So, but I'm still going to add a little bit of dry shampoo. This is Not Your Mother's dry shampoo. I've used Beachy, I've used a few other different brands, and I like them. So my suggestion is to go under your top layer. It adds volume. Even if your hair isn't greasy, it still just adds a little extra volume and prevents it on your no wash days from getting greasy. Okay, so after I've added a little dry shampoo, look, it's already kind of falling and blending in together pretty nicely. I love Evo products. They were in the holiday edit and I use a lot of their stuff, but my favorite product from them is this dry wax spray called Shebang-a-Bang, and it is incredible. So this dry wax spray, or the Living Proof Dry Blast. So I just kind of fluff my hair out, and it adds this like extra volume. And these products, they're not greasy. I feel like they don't add unwanted product to my hair. It's just a nice little extra texture that's gonna help build my hair over the next couple days, because they're all aerosol and I'm not putting oils, I'm not putting any other things to my hair. So look at this difference already just from this. So I'm gonna do it to the other side. Okay, so I look like a lion right now. And I'll just kind of work my fingers through my hair. This feels and looks pretty good to me. And then hairspray. So this is the Matrix hairspray. I'm normally not too picky with hairspray. This is like a flexible hold. I don't do anything that's too intense, just because I want to be able to work with my hair over the next couple days and I don't want it to feel like crunchy. So I normally do a flexible hold because my hair typically will hold up now that I bleach it so much. Okay. And this is my hair. So I haven't honestly looked at the back of my head yet, but this is what it looks like. And this is